Hi everyone, this is Praveen from Dice University, and in today's video we are going to talk about the best offers to promote on Selfadvertiser to make money fast. Let's go! Hello everybody, welcome to today's video where we are going to talk about the best offers to be promoted within the Selfadvertiser platform to make money fast. So literally what we are going to talk about in today's video is we are going to talk about finding the perfect offer. I would say perfect because we want something which can convert into money, which can bring us a lot of money and profit. That's what we want, right? So we want to find that offer so that we can take that offer and make a campaign with Selfadvertiser itself. Since you might be a little bit confused on what I'm saying, so let me just explain the whole process very fast. If you have no idea what's going on, the whole process of making an ad campaign goes like this with 4 steps alone. So the first step would be usually go ahead and choosing an offer from an affiliate network, and this is the process that we are going to be focusing on today. And the second process would be creating a landing page via ClickFunnels or via the AWS. And the next third step would be linking your external tracker with your landing page. And once you have done that, finally what you would do is go ahead and create an ad campaign. And Selfadvertiser is for you to actually go ahead and create an ad campaign. But you might be wondering, you just told me that we are actually finding an offer. Now you're talking about creating an ad campaign. I am super confused. Don't be confused, guys. So what you're thinking is correct. Selfadvertiser is used to create an ad, but we are actually asking the help of Selfadvertiser because usually this kind of ad networks, they will have a little bit resources to help us to make sure that we can actually go ahead and find a good offer, and we should actually make use of that particular resources. Not all the ad networks will have, certain ad networks will definitely have, and like something like Selfadvertiser, they do have these resources, and that particular resources is called the traffic counter. And the thing that I like about Selfadvertiser is you no need to even go ahead and sign up or log in into the Selfadvertiser dashboard. All you got to do is just go to the homepage of Selfadvertiser and hit the traffic counter button. So once you hit the traffic counter button, you will be led to this particular page, and in this particular page you can actually see there's 3 sections: push, domain, and pop. So we are going to use push, and you can also choose the Android operating system, whether Android, Chrome, or whatsoever. You can search for a specific country, and as you can see in this particular bar, there is country, there is daily impression, means the volume, something like that, with for the country, as well as the average CPC. So why these are the things that we are actually taking a look at? Because we want to know more about geo-targeting. And why geo-targeting? Because most of the offers from the affiliate network would be geo-targeted offer. What the hell does geo-targeted mean? Simple, guys. Let's say that you are actually going ahead and choosing one country randomly from here, blah, 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 blah. You're choosing Indonesia. So we have actually chosen Indonesia as our particular geo. The same thing, guys, if you want to go ahead and choose an offer from an affiliate network, you will have to choose a specific geo you want to promote, because most of the offers are geo-targeted in the sense of this target was only applicable for Indonesia, this particular offer is only applicable for Italy, this particular offer is only applicable for Germany, stuff like that. So to do that, make sure that you know about your geo, and that's why we are here, because we are going to go ahead and choose our offer from an affiliate network, and we need to know a little bit about your geo. So let's just choose a country. For example, let's choose Indonesia. So we can actually see the volume, and we can actually see that Indonesia's traffic is actually freaking cheap. You can actually see $0.0063, and if you see the United States, you can actually see the difference, because United States is a tier 1 country. You can see it's 0.0579. super expensive compared to Indonesia. That's why I say go to tier 2 country and tier 3 country where you have the volume, you do have the volume still, and yet the traffic is pretty cheap. So let's go ahead and take Indonesia for the purpose of this video. The next step is for us to go to the affiliate network, and the affiliate network that we are using is called the Mobidia. Mobidia is one of the best CPA network when it comes to mobile traffic, mobile offer, and all this kind of stuff. But that's not the main reason why we choose Mobidia for this video. The main reason why we choose Mobidia for this video is because of the little bit feature that it has, and that feature is called the offer directory. If you click on the offer directory, you will be led to this particular page over here where there is tons of offer. Literally there's 876 offers, and these offers are not common offers, guys. You might be thinking, hey, you said Mobidia is a huge network and they only have 876 offers. No, these 876 offers are Mobidia's top converting offer, which means this offer is the offer which super affiliates were running. These offers are offers which affiliates were running and making crazy amount of money. Not a little, guys. If you are just making a little bit amount of money, the offers will not be appearing here. So it's when you make a lot of money, the offer will actually appear here. And why this is actually important for you as a beginner affiliate marketer or a beginner media buyer is that if you're an experienced media buyer or affiliate marketer, then you can actually choose a new offer and explore a new market. But since you're just a beginner, let me just assume that you're a beginner, guys. I'm not saying that you're a beginner. It would be really good if you can actually make use of the offer which is already running rather than exploring new offers, which means if it's working for somebody else, it might be working for you. The probability of it's working for you, it's quite high. So once you are here, you can actually go to the filter section over here, and then we're gonna go ahead and choose Indonesia as our country. Let's see if the Indonesia is there. Indonesia is over here. So once Indonesia, you hit the apply button, and all the offers which is available in Indonesia would come out. So the offers would be in different pricing model, different flow, single opt-in, double opt-in, SMS, credit card summit, and all this kind of stuff. Mainstream offers, adult offers, and whatever verticals it is. So let's go ahead and choose let's go ahead and choose a nice offer over here. This one looks pretty nice, guys. Play game. So if this offer looks nice, all you got to do is just hit this offer, and more details regarding this offer will appear. Like for example, the payout is over here, 29 cents euro. The offer ID, what country it is, it's geo-targeted for Indonesia. CPA model, flow, SMS building, ammo flow with clicks to SMS, platform that it could be used, desktop, phone, tablet, smart TV. As well as this offer has a daily cap of 125 only. That means after this cap, this offer would be shut down daily, guys. So you can actually see the allowed traffic. So push notification is allowed, Facebook, Google is allowed. You can see the screenshot, you can see the banner, the opportunities, the targeting, and all this stuff. So once you are actually satisfied, you can actually go ahead and hit the apply button, guys. So once you have hit the apply button, you have to fill this application form. It's pretty simple, guys. First, just tell them how you're going to promote this offer, push notification, social media, whatsoever. And then if you have a landing page, put your landing page URL over here. And if you're an egoistic guy who said, hey, I'm really good in doing my landing page, I don't want them to see my landing page, then you can just go ahead and close these, guys. But if you are a beginner affiliate marketer or a beginner media buyer, I would highly suggest you to put your landing page there, because this application would be sent to your advertising manager or your affiliate manager, and he or she would be somebody who had a lot of experience in the affiliate industry, as well as they should definitely have seen a lot of affiliates, and they should have already worked with a lot of super affiliates as well. So they do have certain tips that they can actually give you, which you can actually use to improvise yourself. So keep this in mind and use it as a learning curve. And once you have done that, hit the box and hit the apply button, and the application would be sent to the advertising manager or the affiliate manager. So the next process for you is just to wait until your application is approved, and once it's approved, you can go ahead and run this particular offer. If you you hate waiting, you can actually shorten the duration of waiting by doing something, which is just going to the live chat over here and tell them, hey, I am planning to run this offer with this ID 22824. So I have actually sent an application. Do take a look at the application and approve it as soon as possible. So since now you approach them rather than just waiting for them, the waiting duration will be drastically reduced, guys. Trust me, I've did both of these things, and the waiting duration difference is really significant. So basically, that's how you choose the best offers to be promoted on the Selfadvertiser to make money fast. That's about it in today's video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. On top of that, I really hope that today's video was beneficial for you. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll be seeing you in the next one, but before I go,
allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.